Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a slap house bass like this. So let's get into the video. So let's begin by initializing Serum. We're going to let the oscillator 1 be the way it is. Just turn the phase knob all the way down and the random knob all the way down. In the FX section, just click here and select FM from B. Double click on the knob and select 60%. Go to oscillator B, switch it on, go here, select digital wavetable and select this FFT add seconds. Turn the random knob all the way down, double click here and wavetable position set it to 41%. Go to the FX section, select bend plus, double click this, put 6 here. Now let's hear the bass. Okay, we're getting there, so let's switch on the filter. And let's select 24 dB type. Let's turn the knob all the way down. Let's route both the oscillators and the noise oscillator to this filter. And to modulate this cutoff knob, we need to set the envelope 1 envelope. So let's do that. Let's select the release to, let's put it to 95% and the sustain to -16%. And let's take this thing and put it on the cutoff knob and just pull it down to around 75 to around 77%. Now let's hear this. If you find it sounding quiet, then just, if you want, you can put this drive knob up. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to switch on the noise oscillator and go here, select this third option, and I'm going to select glass lid 4. And I'm going to put this noise oscillator on one shot. Now let's hear the bass. Now what we want is, we want that initial transient that the slap house basses have. So how we're going to do that is, we're going to take this LFO and we're going to use it as an envelope. So just follow me what I'm doing. Just take this shape here and make this shape like this. Double click here, move this down, click this and turn this LFO into an envelope by clicking here. Alright, then go to your matrix, go here and select source type LFO1, destination global master tune, and turn this slider all the way to your right and click here once so that this arrow is facing to your right. Now let's hear the bass. Okay, now the last thing we need to do is switch on the distortion so that we have a good sound. Let's select hard clip and let's put this up here like this. And then we're going to switch on the compressor and we're going to switch on the multi-band mode of the compressor, and threshold we're going to put it to -14 and the gain to around 4%. If the highs are too much, you can adjust the highs. So there you have it, a slap house bass ready. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.